playing. So, first we need to name them. This is Bone Shaker. Can y'all say Bone Shaker?
Bone Shaker.
Write in the comments if you can't say it. Next, okay. Max D. Can y'all say Max D?
Max D.
If some of y'all said Max D, that's okay. Because my sister always says that. And can y'all say Hot Wheels Can y'all say Hot Wheels Racing?
Hot Wheels Racing.
Can y'all say our favorite one in the whole entire world, the Grave Digger?
Grave Digger.
Can y'all say Grave Digger?
Grave Digger.
I don't know these.
These are other monster
Can
trucks.
y'all say Daring Delivery?
Daring Delivery.
I don't know these two, but let's get started playing. So which one do you want to play? Which one do you want to play with first? Write in the comments.
Mm-hmm.
Now here we go.
Okay, first of all, y'all can leave my baby alone. He don't really understand that y'all, when y'all write in the comment, it's y'all can't write it and then answer it right then. Y'all know what my baby means.
Then everybody crashes. Wait, what?
I got that. Oh, look, guys. He got his whole crew here.
So, guys, I actually messed up the track. Let me put it back together. And y'all, you're supposed to put it here. Put the cars here. So, do y'all want to make a turn run? So, let's make it. So which one do you want to pick? Two of them. So, lie in the comments of which one do you want to pick.
Look at our
I'm picking Hot Wheels Racing number 1 and Daring Delivery. So, all of these move aside. Okay.
He's dropping everything, guys.
Okay. Let's get starting. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1.
Please don't hit the camera.
3.
Don't hit the camera. Don't hit the camera. Don't hit the camera.
They're both racing.
Sorry that I'm moving a lot. I just got to get at the right aim. I got it. Okay.
And Hot Wheels Racing is winning.
Let's make you guys see the
Okay, guys, I know y'all tired of hearing my voice, but I just want to let y'all know that these two recorded this on their own. I think they did a pretty good job. And my little girl did a pretty good job at her little angles and getting everything on the camera.
I know, boy.
This way. Okay. Guys, my sister messed it up, so yeah.
Guys, that's okay. Bye. Go back around. You guys there. Woo! Look at the monster trucks, you guys.
Oh, Hot Wheels Racing is better go faster. Right now, they're crushing cars. Hot Wheels Racing is speeding it up. Oh gosh, he just missed the crush cars. Hot Wheels Racing is fast. And Daring Delivery too. This is the last final stretch. Who will win it?
The car and wind.
Let me.
Guys,
It's gotta get me crazy. Guys, that was a close one. Let's see who won. Let's replay that. Let's replay that. So that. If you don't know how to replay, you can do it this way as a boy. So we saw that winner. We saw it in slow motion. And the winner was Hot Wheels Racing. These cars staying here. Next we want to play with. Whoa, you guys are going down. So let me show you a picture what could be a real monster gym could look like. So this is what a real monster gym could look like. And what way, sir? I'm winning, bro. No, you're not. Bro, you stay. No, I don't. Okay. No, don't do it yet. Don't do it yet, Sassy. This is my sister, and she's great as a sister. Can you put my hey? Like that. No. So with your toys. Look, guys, he's got the bomb. He was in the bomb. Oh, Lord. And this is the card machine that they did. It's the monster truck can't fit here. Wait, look. Guys, he's chopping everything, look. Let's see if he can jump all the way here. Okay. Let's look at all the monster trucks, you guys. And let me show you I'm going to show you what a real monster jam would sound like. It will sound really loud. It's going to say, welcome to a monster jam. You've been here a lot, but this is a new monster jam. Guys, look at him going crazy.
Really, Amir? I thought this was Bryson's video.
Oh my God, guys, look what a mess. Guys, look at this mess. Look at the monster. So this is how a real monster MC does. We know you've been here, but this is a new monster jam. And everybody says, bro, get that all off, so. So guys, you want to see this? You want to see this again? Okay, just put the card in here for a little wash and just spin it. Spin the top. And when it's auto to wash, you can just run around. There you go. Into the middle. Nice. And up here. And then you can do it in the second floor. But and on the second floor, you need to do it with this card. Here's the second floor. They're going to get washed up. Same thing. But this time they're going to come out. Now, out of the top. Out of here. And if you're surprised, you can just do this. Oh, and this is the funny part. And he ends up upside down. Do y'all think that's mad really cool? Write in the comments. And this time he came upstate. And then again, he came upstate again. This time, I'm gonna put him here. Guys, it didn't make that. Wait, what? Y'all see that? That was magic. I didn't put this red card in, and when I pushed it really hard, and this orange card came out instead of this blue.
Y'all, I'm confused. Whose video is this? Is this Amir's video or Bryson's? Somebody let me know in the comments.
It was stuck like right here. That was actually not magic. The card, did y'all see that? The card was right here when I pushed really hard to go. And let me show you all storage in my cars. Okay, so you put one in here. Then spin around. Guys, you didn't know what that was. That was my bread. Look, it looks delicious. No, it's not. It is delicious. Nobody likes bread. Guys, comment down below if you like bread. I love bread! Okay, everybody loves bread. Everybody in the whole entire world loves bread. That's delicious. Let me spin it again. And here's the nice part. And here's the nice part of the storage in my cars. And we can also store it in the top. Look at it. And these two could race around, racing each other. Who could win the final? And all the cars are spinning with it too. Yeah, this open little door. He passes it. And let me show you what the car came with it. The car came with is this one. Or maybe. Let's see if it actually is. No, it doesn't come with it. Where's the gun? No. Let's see her. And guys, I'll be right back. I'll be right back in the sunlight. Back. There's more cars. And none of these came with it, so we watch. This one came with it.
So we're going to sit here and act like we didn't just see Amir grabbed that whole big old spoonful of spaghetti and carried it all the way across without dropping anything.
People are judging you. But they're not being, they are.
I mean,
So I'm gonna
wow.
this time for real. So what you want? Hold on. Because here. So what you want to mix them around? So what do you want? Because here. Okay. This one's too big to fit. That means this one has gone left. This one has gone top. And you know, I watch FDTV. And FDTVers. FDTVers. And they play it. I'm not sure how they say hi. I'm not sure how they say goodbye. They say goodbye. I'm kidding. They do actually do that. Yeah, I know. They do actually. So, Superman, get in there, Superman. Superman! Superman, you're not feeling super. Okay, Superman. Guys, the microwave's gonna be gone, but not for long. It's so funny. It's huge. Put another card here, quick. There. I'm itchy. There, it'll be taking for 20 hours to get. So let's put it up here. Jiffy. So guys, I'll be right back again.
And no, he won't be back again. That's the end of the video, guys. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. We do it for you guys. Love you. Bye, Goof Troops.